Hi everyone, myself Aditya Dave, and I am currently working in Merkle Sokrati in Ahmedabad city.
You feel like Kraftsala's routine will be hectic? I will cover all about it in this video.
So, if I get to tell you my routine before Kraftshala, like really it was worse. It was because before Kraftshala, I was super lazy, like nothing to do, and my whole routine was mess. You can say it was imbalanced because of the pandemic time, and everyone was free and there was nothing to do. I can say I was becoming more lazy day by day. But when I joined Kraftshala, many things changed. So initially, as you know, Kraftsala's schedule is from morning 10 to night 8 or 9, right? So it was something that was very hectic for me. And frankly, I'm saying initially I thought that I'm not able to do this much and I'm not able to sit this much actually. I was actually first struggling to into this routine and everything. But gradually I got habituated of it and then it was a very smooth for me. So initially I struggled, but gradually it did help to me also. Right now it is helping me a lot. So I was moving from a very lazy period of my time to the very hectic time, right? So initially, in first 3 weeks, what I did was there was a gap in between the lectures. It was like tea break or a lunch break, 15-20 minutes break or half an hour break. So actually, I used that break as my refreshment time. I am so much into music, so I used to listen music or songs, and I used to watch YouTube comedy videos. So I used that time as a refreshment time. So it helped me to make a balance of that lecture and to get a little refreshment. And that helped me a lot initially. And then after 2 or 3 weeks, it just settled down. And after it was so smooth. This is a very important thing that I would love to mention because if the Kraftshala routine was not there, if it was not supposed to be as it is right now, then definitely I would be struggling to do my job because when we do job, it's same as Kraftshala. So right now, my job routine is like for 10 to 11 hours per day, right? So right now it's very smooth. Like I'm not feeling any difference because the routine I have followed during Kraftshala, it was same as my job. So I was habituated and helped me a lot in my job because I think that if I would have joined this job without Kraftshala, I would be struggling so much with the time and with the routine. So right now, I'm much thankful for Kraftshala. Initially, I was struggling in Kraftshala, but I got habituated. And in my job also, there is 10 hours. Some days it extends. But I am okay with it because I am now habituated and I am good. And it's going very smooth for me. So it's very good. You are wasting your time. If you are thinking, I will definitely tell you, man, just join this course. And not because I am here giving interview for Kraftshala, but I will definitely tell you, I was also thinking initially before pursuing this course, I thought about this course for 2 months. And I'm literally thinking right now that I wasted my 2 months. I totally wasted it. So yeah, you can join, can bet on it because as soon as you will going to join, you will be yeah, like it's okay, it's worth. And if you are going to waste your time on thinking, you are going to regret. That's the thing. Initially you will struggle, you will be frustrated, you will be at your saturated point, but yes, you will manage gradually and it will be very smooth after. So that's the thing.